cleanroom is a controlled environment where pollutants like dust, airborne microbes, and aerosol particles are filtered out in order to provide the cleanest area possible. These rooms are well isolated, well controlled, and are actively cleansed to maintain a clean status. Cleanrooms are classified according to the cleanliness level of the air inside them. The cleanroom class is the level of cleanliness the room complies with, according to the quantity and size of particles per volume of air. Medical cleanrooms have some of the most stringent cleanroom classifications of any cleanroom type. They require ample room for all equipment and materials, as well as space for personnel to move freely. Systems in place to limit cross-contaminations or mix-ups of substances, samples, or products. Equipment, supporting furniture, and the space and all surfaces must be easy to disinfect. Most medical device manufacturing cleanrooms must comply with ISO Class 5 through 8 standards. Medical cleanrooms working with Class 1 and Class 2 devices fall within that ISO class range. Medical device packaging cleanrooms, while closely monitored to prevent contamination, especially through the potentially damaging effects of static electricity, operate within ISO Class 7 to 8 standards. These ISO 7, Class 10,000 cleanrooms utilize HEPA filtration systems to maintain air cleanliness levels of a maximum of 10,000 particles, greater than 0.5 micrometer in size per cubic foot. For more information about SpecialTeam's clean rooms and capabilities, please contact us at SpecialTeam.com.